Are you trying to find your Paw Patrol pups?
Yes! What are you doing with them?
I hid them, and you'll never find them. Ha 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 ha.
Well, hey, little Missy, what are you doing right there?
I gotta fly and might go sleep.
Oh, yeah, look at that. A brand new Skye Paw Patrol. Skye, so are you playing Paw Patrol right now?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so this is a cool little Skye, snuggle up Skye. That's pretty cool. But do you want to play with more Paw Patrol pups?
Yeah!
Okay. A few moments ago.
I'm gonna hide these pups right here. She'll never find them. Ha 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 ha. Ooh, this is a good hiding spot. Maybe not both next to each other. Maybe next to another tree. Ooh, little Missy's never gonna find these pups. I got 2 more to hide. You'll never find one here. I'm gonna leave it right here. Now let's see her find them.
Oh no! Did you know that evil little Miss hid all the Paw Patrol pups? We gotta go find them. You want to go find them?
Uh-huh.
I've got something super special, and Kid Traxx sent it out for you to help you. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, check this out right here that Kid Traxx sent out for free to review. Whoa, it's Skye's helicopter cruiser. Do you think we can use this to go find the rest of the pups?
Uh-huh.
We gotta go on a mission and save the other pups, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so here is a flashing cockpit lights. It has helicopter sounds. It has Power Trax rubber traction strip tires, and it's a 6-volt battery. Whoa, what do you think of that? Is that cool?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so look at this right here. LED rotor. Whoa, this is pretty cool. So Paw Patrol from Nickelodeon, and this is Kid Traxx. So I bet we better get this all put together so we can go save the rest of the pups, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let me see. You got your Skye ready to go for this mission, right? Oh, she's even got a flashlight ready to go find these other pups, right? Okay, and we've got the... Whoa, Skye's helicopter's all built and ready to go too. You like it? Is Skye gonna help you on this mission? Oh boy. Oh no, she fell in there. Okay, so look at this right here. Here's the on and off button right here. You turn it on. You've got forward and stop and backwards. And then press the button right here. Press that button. Whoa, look at that. That's pretty cool. Okay, and then press the other button right here. Press the other button and it gives you lights. Look at that. Flashing lights. That's pretty cool. You want to drive it and go find these other pups?
Yeah!
Okay, look at this right here. Whoa. So very cool from Kid Traxx. It's got these rubber gripped tires right here. It's got Skye right here in the front. The Paw Patrol badge. Oh man. There's Skye's name on the side. It's got wings right here. It's got propeller. It's got propellers right here. Man, this thing is cool. Okay, let's go find the other pups. Come on.
Let's go!
Okay, get in. Get in and drive it away. Come on, get in. Okay, get in. All right. Oh man, look at this. Skye's helicopter. This thing is cool.
I'm ready to find the pups.
Whoa, yeah.
Are you trying to find your Paw Patrol pups?
Yes! What are you doing with them?
I hid them, and you'll never find them.
I find them.
I hid them really good.
I have 5.
Okay.
Yeah, you have this helicopter too to find those pups, don't you? What are you thinking, evil little miss? Hiding all those pups. Little Missy want to play Paw Patrol. What are you doing?
Well, if she won't let me play with her Skye, then she can't play with the rest of the Paw Patrol.
Oh, that's just an evil plan.
Ha ha ha. Ha ha.
Okay, little Missy, we gotta find those pups. Come on.
Well, good luck with that. I'm gonna get away! You're not gonna get me! You'll never fight the pup! I see one!
You see one? Okay, come on. Come on, let's go. Oh, you found Rubble. That's right. Who's the next one? Marshall. Okay, come on. Let's put him back in the helicopter. Come on.
Let's go!
Okay, put him in there. Okay, come on. Let's keep driving. Let's go. We gotta look up here. Oh no, there's the evil miss.
I see one.
There's one. Come on. All right, let's go get it. You found another one? Oh man. Who is it? Who is it? Rocky. It's Rocky. Come on. That's three of them. That's three of them. Hey, little Missy, you see another one? There's another one. Marshall. It's Marshall. Come on, get it. Okay, I think we only have, how many do we have left?
3.
3. Let's see. We got Marshall. We've got Rocky. We've got Rubble. We've got another Marshall. We got 2 Marshalls in here. Okay, I think we have 2 left. We have Skye and we have Chase.
We gotta get Skye.
We gotta get Skye and Chase, right?
Uh-huh.
I think there's some over here.
Oh, I see Skye.
You see one where? I don't see anything.
I see Zuma.
Oh, look at something right there. Oh, look, it's Zuma. It's Zuma.
I see Skye.
Keep driving. Get down over here. Okay, keep going. Oh. You see Skye? Where is Skye? I don't see Skye anywhere. Oh, look what you found. It's Skye. Good job. Okay, get in. Did we find them all?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we did. Okay, come on. Let's drive. Go.
You're fighting the pups.
That's right. We found the pups. Now you can play Paw Patrol, right? Now we've got all the pups. Let's see. We've got Rocky, and we've got Marshall, and we've got Zuma. And there's another Marshall, and we've got Rubble, and another Skye. So now you've got 2 Skies. You've got 2 Skies to go with this Skye helicopter. Do you like this Skye helicopter?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. So thanks a lot to Kid Traxx for sending this out for free to check out. This is going to be a lot of fun. This 6-volt helicopter is pretty cool, especially with the lights. Ooh, the sounds and the lights. With the little lights. That's pretty cool.
If I play the Paw Patrol.
Now it's time to play Paw Patrol. Okay, go play. All right, well, thanks a lot to Kid Traxx for sending out this Skye helicopter from Paw Patrol and Nickelodeon. Pretty cool. New ride-on toy. Got a lot of cool features. Very cool paint job and design, especially for a ride-on. So has really good high quality. Has the battery right under the seat. Turn this right here with a coin. You pull that off, and there is the 6-volt battery right there, as well as the charger. And you'll have hours of fun with this Paw Patrol. Oh, you came back from Paw Patrol? You came back to play? Oh, there's Chase right there. All right, we've got a Chase now. Okay, so lots of cool features from Kid Traxx. So thanks a lot for sending this out. That's it for this episode. There's Little Miss Show and Tell Toys. Make sure you check out our other channels and our other videos for all kinds of cool videos and exciting toys. Hey there, I hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe and check out the new Little Miss Show and Tell Toys channel for all kinds of videos on My Little Pony, Shimmer and Shine, Disney Princesses, Surprise Eggs, and much, much more. See you over there.